You guys, happy July 4th. Doesn't that look good? That's Sarah's making that. They call it suya. Right, Fifi? Yeah. They call it suya beef. That's some stewed chicken right there. And I'm making some fish. When this is done, I'm going to make some fish. This has to be shish kebab suya. All right, Chef Sarah, come show what you got here, girl. Come show what you got. Fifi, you see how the chef talking to us like that, eh? What's up? That's me and Fifi. That's Chef Sarah. Say hi to the camera, Chef Sarah.
Hello.
Sarah, say hi. Let's see. Hold on.
Like she want me to do
All right. What you doing? She brushing it with some... All right. You see the chef? She's brushing it with some oil. I see she got her chef. Oh, let me go check my sauce. I feel...
Not the fire shine.
Turn the fire out a little bit now.
No, I don't want it to burn.
You don't want the meat to burn?
Yeah.
Well, at least the chicken is cooked. You already flipped them over? The thing pop on my hand is burned. Did you taste it?
No, I don't like tasting ramen.
How long you put it on? How long has it been on? 20 minutes?
Probably.
No, then it's not cooked. It's not cooked yet. Otherwise, I would have helped you to taste it.
Yeah, that's why I put it on low. I put everything on low.
Okay, no problem. We'll be back. Fifi, what you and Angel doing over here? Are you? Why both of you jump when I call your name? You know when kids are doing something right, Angel and Sarah, and you call her name, they jump. She found it, Fifi. She said, "Why we didn't find it?" Angel.
Hey, what?
I don't know where it was hiding because I looked in that same drawer. It wasn't there. Angel, what were you and Fifi doing?
I saw spatula cones.
Let me go check my sauce anyway. Y'all want to see my sauce? Ooh, that is delicious.
She made it.
I sure did. This is all vegetables. There's no tomatoes in there, and it's thank you, Fifi. Fifi gave my sauce thumbs up. There's no tomato. This is the red bell pepper that gave it the kind of color. So there's bell pepper, onions, garlic, and some nice habaneros.
It's gonna be too
But this is all red bell pepper. That's why you see the color is red. So I don't need tomato for that. But if you use green bell pepper for the recipe and you want colors, you can always put a little bit of tomatoes in there or use one red bell pepper. And this is actually 3 bell peppers, 2 huge onions, 1 whole garlic bulb, 3 medium-sized habanero, and that's it.
This is going to be very spicy.
No, it's not going to be spicy. It's going to be mild for people like us. For those Americans, it might be spicy for them. Let me taste it. That is delicioso. And you can eat this on anything. You can eat this on a bed of rice, baked potatoes, sweet potatoes, grilled chicken, grilled fish. This is an all-purpose sauce that you can eat with anything, on anything. Since it's made of vegetables, you can put on your steamed vegetable. What you say, Fifi?
Like, just look at the bubbles.
That means it's cooking. It's delicious. What's up? Look what's next. Sarah's gonna make some salmon. It's gonna be grilled. See? So we're having grilled. We're having beef. We're having chicken. We're having salmon. And we're having mackerel. I'm gonna put the mackerel on the grill when she's done with her chicken and her beef. And then the mackerel, after I put it on the grill, you can put that sauce, the sauce I just showed you, can put it on the sauce, on the mackerel, and eat it, or eat it just like that, but it's well seasoned and it's ready to devour. Just hold it like that. You got it? Let me taste the beef. You got it? You can see me? All right, let me try this. Sarah, which one you tried? You try this one? But it's hot, so I will try this little one on the end here.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on. Let me let you guys know what it tastes like. Ooh. It's hot though. It's temperature hot, but it's spicy hot. To me, it's perfect. It's ready to eat now. The Nigerian call it suya. I don't know what kind of sauce is it, but they call it suya. Happy 4th of July, you guys. For those of you that didn't come here, see what you're missing. Even Angel is here having fun. This is really, 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 really good. Thank you. Happy 4th of July. All right. No, don't follow me. I was going to pause it. Thing out. You guys, make sure you leave a comment. Chef Olakia. What's up? It is. It's delicious though. Woo, Sarah's like, we gotta open Sarah's kitchen though. Now I can put my own fish on the thing now.
Okay, so do you want some foil?
Yeah, I'm gonna put on some foil. I don't think that's ready. No. Huh? All right. I'm coming, Phoebe. I'm coming right behind you. You already smashed. She knows she don't come out, so I think you call her. Now we're gonna put Chef Sarah.
More chicken and
Oh, I just want to put the fish on there.
yeah.
Oh, that's time for the fish? Okay.
For the rest of the fish. Yep.
And now you can make the chicken hot because it's on its own side, right?
Yeah, this is on this whatever side.
So you can crank it up a little bit.
Okay. Since it's not really not.
Let Fifi do that one while you put the fish here because it's hot. Fifi, here, brush the chicken for your mother and then she can put it because the sun is getting too, so we can go back inside. There we go. Now 2 of us using. There you go. This is Chef. When is he gonna learn if you don't let him do it? Or you greasing the grill? Okay.
Okay.
What is it? 200 degrees out here? I feel like we're in Arizona or something.
So can I put the fish?
No, let her do it before you burn yourself. Did you oil the thing she told you to oil it, Jaddy? You guys look at that fish. Look at that fresh red salmon. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Thank you, sir. Excuse me. My friend, that's enough. Just put it right down there.
Alright.
Thank you. Because if it's up to you, that whole cup you put it right in there. Ooh, that fish look good. Don't burn yourself, sir. Be careful. You can probably pour a few more here, right? There you go.
You want to put that on?
Put on low or put on high?
That's for chicken. I don't know what you want to do.
How many pieces? You have to whip it next time. Just leave it like that.
That's what?
No, leave it like that. That's fine.
I think I have to put it on foil, right?
Leave it now, you know. Leave it. It's okay. Just leave it on low or medium. That's all. But you don't want them to touch. So just wait for the next time. That's all. Let's cover it. We'll check in 5 minutes. Okay. All right. How the salmon? Is it breaking up?
Somewhere. But I managed to turn some.
You managed? Yeah. I will put mine on the foil.
I'm about
Just
to
to
put the
avoid.
rest on foil.
Yeah, the rest will be better on the foil. Because you put on the foil and then you cover the foil and you cover the grill. Within 10 minutes or because the heat will cook it. You see what I'm saying?
I'm gonna get foil.
Yeah. I
It
think
looks good,
it don't look too bad, yes. But just because it break it, that's why I didn't want to do mine like that. I want to do mine on the foil.
Get that fish.
You guys see, we're having some salmon up in here. Grilled salmon with that nice red sauce I showed you earlier. It tastes good though. Let me try this one here. Woo! I just burned my excuse me, I'm just chewing. I need to close my mouth. Okay, I think this thing ooh, this is good. It's well seasoned and flavored and spicy. All right.